Hi, today I'm going to discuss this question with you. There are some students in the two examination halls A and B. To make the number of students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from A to B. But if 20 students are sent from B to A, then the number of students in A becomes double the number of students in B. Find the number of students in the two halls. Okay, so let's try this question out. Okay, so since we need to find the number of students in the two halls, I'm assuming let the number of students in hall A equal to X and the number of students in hall B as equal to Y. Okay, now let's form the two equations. Now what have they given us in the first equation? First they've told us to make the number of students equal. To make the number of students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from A to B. Now if 10 students are sent from A to B, how many students are left in hall A? Number of students in hall A now becomes X minus 10 because 10 students are sent away from hall A. But those 10 students will increase in hall B, right? So number of students in hall B now becomes equal to Y plus 10. Okay, now when this is a scenario, they've mentioned that the number of students will become equal in each hall, which means X minus 10 is equal to Y plus 10. That is X minus Y equal to 20. So I have my first linear equation. Now, in the second situation, they have mentioned that if 20 students are sent from hall B to A. Okay, so now what happens when 20 students are sent from B to A? Number of students in hall A now becomes X plus 20. And the number of students in hall B now becomes Y minus 20. Okay, now when this is the case, they've said that number of students in A becomes double the number of students in B. So that is number of students in hall A means equal to double 2 times the number of students in hall B. So that is X plus 20 is equal to 2Y minus 40 or X minus 2Y equal to minus 40 minus 20 or X minus 2Y equal to minus 60. So that's my second linear equation. Now we could solve the two equations either by substitution method or by elimination method. Okay, so let me just copy out the two linear equations. So X minus Y equal to 20 was my first linear equation and X minus 2Y is equal to negative 60 is my second linear equation. Now, so from 1, what I'm going to find out? From 1, I'm finding the value of X. So X will become 20 plus Y, which I'm numbering as my third equation. So substituting 3 in 2. Okay, so in place of X, that is X minus 2Y equal to negative 60, in place of X, I'm replacing it with 20 plus Y minus 2Y equal to negative 60. So 20 minus Y equal to negative 60 or minus Y equal to minus 60 minus 20 or minus Y equal to minus 80, which gives me Y is 80. Okay, now let me substituting Y equal to 80 in equation 3. So X now becomes 20 plus 80 or X becomes 100. So therefore, number of students in hall A is equal to 100 and the number of students in hall B is equal to 80. I hope you've understood the question. Thank you.